guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV here today. Today I want to take a moment and talk about P-rated tires. So a lot of people don't know probably what the tires are on their trucks or their tow vehicles. And as an RV guy, when I come into a town or I'm working in a market, I usually will swing by the truck dealerships just to see how the vehicles are being equipped with brake controllers and things like that, because usually the person at the dealership that orders the trucks orders them all very similarly. And if I'm working in that market, selling and outfitting trucks to haul RVs appropriately, I like to see what kind of trucks are being ordered in that market. And this is something I do. One of the things that I see very common in the truck world on half-ton trucks are what called P-rated tires. And what a P-rated tire is a passenger vehicle rated tire. And the reason I put them on the half-ton trucks is that, first of all, they meet or exceed all the towing capabilities of the truck and all the payloads and everything like that, or they wouldn't be on there, obviously. But the reason I put them on the half-ton trucks is because half-ton trucks in our world have kind of become our passenger vehicles. The last half-ton truck I owned, we used it all the time. It was a primary vehicle. And so that being said, we want to make sure our primary vehicles are going to be comfortable to ride in. They're not going to be noisy going down the road. They're going to get decent fuel mileage, and so on and so forth. And that all those boxes are checked on a P-rated tire. When you get up into the LT tires, which are the light truck tires like you would run on a 3/4 ton truck or a 1 ton truck, they are noisy. They have different tread patterns. They have heavier sidewalls to handle more weight, giving them a rougher ride. So not the same tire that we would often see or commonly see on those half-ton trucks. And so when we start towing with those half-ton trucks, we want to make sure that we're aware of what we have on them for a tire, and what their towing capabilities are, obviously, before we hook a camper to it. We want to keep our families safe. So people are like, hey, well, I'll just get the LT tires for my half-ton truck and I'll be able to tow better. That does help for sure, but it's really not necessary, and I wouldn't want to take away the great ride and the good fuel mileage and the less noise and all the things that those P-rated tires bring to that half-ton truck for like the 355 days a year that you're not towing anything that you own that truck. So let's listen to the local dealer and listen to their recommendations on anti-sway properties, weight distributions, and things that will combat some of the weak points that the P-rated tire brings to the table when we're towing on those few times that we tow throughout the year. So I just wanted to make sure that the guys out there with the half-ton trucks understood that the tires on their trucks are there for a reason, and they're not the same truck tires that we commonly see on some of the heavier trucks in the marketplace. So nothing wrong with the P-rated tire, nothing wrong with the half-ton truck, but know what you have and know that you can add or use some gear that will keep that great ride on the half-ton truck, but still make it safe to tow with you and your family in it, going down the road at highway speeds with a trailer behind you. So thanks for watching Pete's RV TV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy camping.